In this tutorial, you learn how to use the Smart Search function in the order overview to quickly locate the right order. Let's get started. The Smart Search function lets you search across every key value in your order list. You can find an order by simply typing order ID, patient name, indication, service category, or customer into the search bar. This helps you quickly identify cases, especially when dealing with a high volume of orders. Open the order view in DS Core. At the top of the list, you will see the search bar. From here, you can perform a universal search. No need to switch views or filter manually. Enter any value you want to look for. For example, an order ID, a patient name, a specific indication, a service category, or the customer who placed the order. DS Core immediately filters the list and shows all matching orders. This makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for in seconds. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.